how I made $5,000 per month with YouTube automation without showing my face. This is a faceless YouTube video, and it made me over $5,000 last month without filming, editing, or even speaking a single word. Sounds crazy? I thought so too, until I tried it. In this video, I'll break down exactly how I make money every single month with YouTube automation, and how you can start too, even if you've never uploaded a single video in your life. Before this, I was grinding like most people, trying to grow personal YouTube channels, struggling with editing, and burning out fast. I hated being on camera. I didn't have the time to do everything myself. And honestly, I thought YouTube was only for influencers or people with huge personalities. Then I stumbled across the YouTube automation model, and that's when everything changed. YouTube automation is basically outsourcing every part of the channel so it runs without you. Instead of filming yourself, you hire a scriptwriter, a voiceover artist, a video editor, and a thumbnail designer. You just manage the process or even hire a team like mine to handle everything. The result? A completely faceless channel that grows and earns while you focus on the business side. Let me show you one of my channels. This one's in the finance niche. We started posting about 3 videos per week. It took about 3 months to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, the requirements for monetization. But once monetized, the growth became exponential. Now this one channel earns between $5,000 and $6,000 every single month from YouTube ads, with some extra from affiliate links and sponsors. Here's how I built the channel step by step. Step 1. I chose a profitable niche. I focused on categories with high CPM. That means advertisers pay more for ads. Think money, motivation, crypto, and similar. Step 2. I used keyword research tools to find high-demand, low-competition topics that people were actively searching for. Step 3. I hired a scriptwriter, a voiceover artist, and a video editor from freelance sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Step 4. I created videos around 6 to 10 minutes long, optimized for retention and engagement. Step 5. I uploaded consistently with SEO-optimized titles, thumbnails, and descriptions 3 times per week. Now, why does this work? Because YouTube rewards consistent content that keeps people watching. You don't need a face. You don't need a personality. You just need quality content that delivers value and holds attention. These channels work so well because they're designed for performance, not personality. Let me bust a few myths quickly. You don't need to go viral to make money. You don't need to upload daily. You don't need to be tech savvy. You just need a plan, a system, and the right team. Most people fail at YouTube because they try to do everything themselves or they give up too early. But if you treat it like a business, build a proper content engine, and stay consistent, you can win big. I help clients build completely done-for-you automated YouTube channels. That includes niche research, full team setup, video production, upload schedule, monetization strategy. Whether you want 1 channel or 5, I've got a proven system that works. If you're ready to build your own automated YouTube channel and start creating passive income the smart way, click the link below to book a free strategy call. I'll show you exactly what niche to choose and how we can build your YouTube business together. And by the way, I also offer YouTube automation and YouTube channel management services on Fiverr. If you're serious about starting or scaling a faceless YouTube business, I can help you set everything up, from content strategy to full video production and channel growth. You'll find more information in the description and the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe if you want more behind the scenes of YouTube automation, content business tips, and real case studies. Drop a comment below if you've ever thought about running a faceless channel, or if you've already started. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.